everybody, CindyALewis here. Welcome. It is time for the Friday giveaway. Today I am giving away a fall stamp set for September 26th. And it is this cute set. Oh, somebody's going to be so excited to have all these. Yes, they are. And you entered in last Friday's video, so I have that URL here. I will use the keyword Friday giveaway to search the comments. Be one winner, and there are 52 entries. All right, let's see who wins. And the winner is Kimberly Christie. Congratulations, Kimberly. It is your prize, and I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Now, you may be wondering, how do I enter Cindy's Friday giveaways? Well, for October, I'm going to be doing stamp sets again. But they're all for Christmas because we're going to be getting ready for Christmas in October. Can you believe it? Let me show you the stamp sets for October. All right, I am not at my usual space, as you can see. All right, for October 3rd, it is these cute little stamps right here. And that will be next week's prize. So make sure you enter in the comments of this video. And then October 10th is this cute set. Love that Santa. And the postcard. Oh yeah, that will be October 10th. Then October 17th is this cute set with some sentiment. Fun. Get ready for your cards and your journals. Then October 24th are all the borders and frames, a little wreath there. So that will be October 24th. And then October 31st are all these individual little stamps that are so cute and be great on your tags and your pockets. So to enter, you do need to be a subscriber to my channel. This is one way that I thank my subscribers. And you do have to put the words Friday giveaway in the comments. And you do have to be 18 or older, US or Canada only. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Share this. If you do, you get another entry. You can enter every single day. Don't miss out. This is next Friday's giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.